Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a coffee cup mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the cup. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now go to File, Place Embedded and import the packaging design. And transform it to the cup size. Now create a clipping mask. Now change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. And hit OK. And your coffee cup mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.